And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to beat the heat for summer. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Summertime is almost upon us, and it's about to get real hot real quick. The heat can certainly affect our bodies and our moods. But the good news is, you no longer have to sit in an ever-flowing waterfall of your own sweat, because we've got 5 steps to help you keep cool this summer. Step 1. Stay hydrated. If it's super hot outside, sweating is almost unavoidable.
Although it may not feel like it, sweat is actually a good thing and is your body's natural defense against the heat.
However, as you perspire, your body loses moisture, which in turn makes your body temperature rise. So drinking plenty of fluids is crucial to keeping yourself cool. Try to avoid beverages that contain lots of sugar, caffeine, or alcohol, as these items are dehydrating and will counteract what you're going for. Step 2. Spray yourself down. 2 words, thermoregulation, which means as water evaporates on your skin, it cools you down. Try keeping a spray bottle filled with water in the refrigerator. When you get hot, spray yourself down. Consider targeting high heat areas like the head, neck, and wrists for a faster cool down.
Think of it as sweating, but not as icky.
For added comfort, try filling the spray bottle with peppermint tea. The menthol from the tea acts as a cooling agent and will help cool you down even faster. A word of caution here though, avoid spraying near the face as the mint could irritate your eyes. Step 3. Create a DIY air conditioner.
Don't have an air conditioner? No problem.
If it's not too humid, grab a big bowl of ice and place it in front of a fan. Now sit back and relax and enjoy the nice cool breeze as the ice melts and evaporates. Bonus tip, adding salt to your ice cubes before you freeze them will help make them take significantly longer to melt. Step 4. Turn off all heat sources. When it's hot outside, the last thing you want to do is add more heat to an already uncomfortable situation. Consider avoiding any appliances that put out a lot of heat, including ovens, dishwashers, computers, and incandescent lamps. Step 5. Stay downstairs.
As you already know, heat rises. So, when it's a scorcher out there,
You'll probably be more comfortable sleeping on the couch downstairs until the heat breaks. The lowest point in your house will be the coolest, so if you have a basement, consider bunking there for the night for added relief.
folks, heat waves can be detrimental to your health. Nausea, fainting, clammy skin, muscle aches, and dizziness are just a few symptoms of heat exhaustion. Or worse, heat stroke. If you feel any of these symptoms, get cool fast. And if your symptoms continue or get worse, dial 911 or get to your nearest St. Luke's emergency room right away. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101 episodes. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.